Welcome back to Sweden Beach Adventures 2026. We resume the Sweden Beach Adventures after 8-day pause due to my beach adventures in Alcudia, Mallorca. And I'm continuing with Ekudden on the Lake Flaten, spontaneous beach spot in the beautiful Swedish forest. And resuming also with my Scott gravel bike, 8 kilometers and something to get here with this beautiful nature. Now the forecast said it's going to be a bit warmer than this, but it is 7 degrees Celsius currently, sunny though, and feels like temperature of 4. Last time I was here, I think it was 8 or 9 days ago, it was 7 degrees Celsius in the lake. And we're gonna see now if the water has warmed up a bit. Well, I can't complain, as it's gonna be definitely warmer, as it was lots of sun while I was away, and I definitely missed the beautiful Swedish nature. I'm looking forward for my dip in the lake. Yesterday in Alcudia it was up to 24 degrees Celsius, and I got stuck at the airport for more than 11 hours as the flight was delayed for 9 hours, and I was actually a bit early for the flight, 2.5 hours. So it was a disaster, but hopefully I will get some compensation from EU for that. And we have the verdict 10 degrees Celsius in the water, which is amazing indeed. At least the top layer of the lake. This spot you have seen already so many times, but I just keep coming to it as it is so nice, and the way to get here is also very much convenient. Now I'm a bit late today as I have arrived home at 5 a.m. in the morning. I slept 2 hours on the flight, which was 3 hours. They flew really fast back, even though the flight was delayed. So I slept 2 hours on the flight and 3 hours at home, so 5 hours sleep. I'm still looking like I have slept like a bear the whole winter. So let's then get into the water while I show you more of this beautiful nature. Now I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna be here for long as it is blowing like crazy, and I think on the other part of the lake it's a lot less wind, so might go there chill later on the other side. The day is getting so much longer. It was already bright when I arrived home at 5 a.m. and in the evening it's bright until 10 p.m. almost. So brighter days are here, which means more beach adventures. And yeah, it's gonna be sunny all this week. Next week actually, because today is Sunday. So yeah, 19th of April 2026, and Chris is ready to change the Mediterranean vibes with Swedish nature vibes. Ooh, it's definitely blowing like crazy. All right, let's get going, as it won't get warmer if I wait longer. Very slippery here. I'm not sure if this is because of the algae that are starting to grow in the water, but it's very nice. So Chris is then ready for a dip here in the Lake Flaten, and Ekudden, one of my favorite beach spots here in Stockholm. So ready, set, and go! Oh, amazing, cold, but so refreshing. I'm not gonna lie. It's magnificent. Okay, it's time then for me to warm up a bit out. I see that lots of plants are starting to grow here in the water, so it's gonna be nice to see how we have the view here. But thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Flaten, Ekudden, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.